Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This custom 1972 Chevy C10 truck comes with a lifetime guarantee. I will guarantee you will not lose this truck in a parking lot. Intense yellow. There's a lot more body modifications than what meets the eye. I'll go over all that with you. But this is a ground up restored truck about 2,500, 3,000 miles ago. Has a GM ZZ4 crate 350 motor. Overdrive automatic trans, air conditioned, four-wheel disc brakes, got all the good stuff, and it's a good looker too. Go to volocars.com to read all the specs and take your time studying the 100 pictures top to bottom. That's also where you'll find price tags on all the collector cars that we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, body off the frame restored. The frame is a nice, clean, smooth frame painted like a semi-gloss black. The floors are all clean, solid metal, done in a thin black like chip guard. The suspension's been completely rebuilt, replaced. So all the shocks, ball joints, bushings. It has sway bars front and back. That's all redone in back too. The trailing arms got new bushings and the shocks replaced. It has disc brakes at all four corners. They're drilled discs, drilled rotors. It's got a custom exhaust. It's 2-in-1 Flowmaster muffler, and it has a splitter tip coming out on that side over there. The fuel tank's been relocated from behind the seat to under the back of the truck. The transmission also has an external finned aluminum oil cooler. It's a 4L60 overdrive automatic. It has a finned aluminum pan. Bottom of the motor's still clean. You look up at it, it's a new crate motor. It looks new. The chrome flywheel cover is there. And the rear end, the 12-bolt rear end, has a nice finned aluminum cover as well. So underneath the truck is really nice. 2-inch drop spindles in front, so there's no air ride to mess with on this one. It just has a nice stance, ready to ride. Now the paint. They did call it pearl yellow, and I didn't really see it, but as we were just talking a second ago, as it was going around, the light hit it, and I really seen the yellow shining and flipping and flopping. So it is a custom yellow color. Now, I told you there's a lot of body modifications. This truck would cost you a fortune to duplicate at a professional shop. So there's no marker lights. All the side moldings have been removed and filled. You got moldings here, but all the factory moldings, wherever there was holes, all filled in. No door handles, opens by remote. And here's one you probably didn't notice. There's no rain gutters. That's all been removed. Of course, custom mirrors. I'm pretty sure it would have had the holes in the beds back then for the stakes to go in. That's filled in. The tailgate, there's no handle. It's relocated to the inside. No bumpers. Has a nice roll pan with the recessed license plate. All new tail light assemblies. They're LED lights. But again, no marker lights. Do have a little bit of mud splashed up there. No trim, no gas cap. They eliminated the vent window. This would have a swing out vent window. It's all one-piece glass. Hot Wheels emblem. You got a cowl hood. I just noticed the wipers are filled, so there's no wipers on this truck. Believe it or not, Rain-X works great. Up front here, it has a billet grille, and the rest of the grille surround is all new chrome. There is a touch-up right here in the paint. No front bumper, just a nice clean pan. That's just dust. But yeah, the paint job's outstanding. It's got a little flame detail painted on the side of the cowl hood. It is a metal hood. The paint's all smooth and glossy and laid out real nice. New windshield, new rubber gasket, new side glass because it's custom, all new rubber seals and window felts around the channel here. I don't see any rust or damage. All the body work they did, it's holding up real well. There's a couple tiny bubbles at the corners, smaller than my pinky nail. That all looks good. It's all looking good. Yeah, paint's real sharp looking. Chrome Chevy bow tie. Straight. So yeah, this work was professionally done. Yeah, you catch it in the right light. You can see the metal flake, the depth to the paint. 20-inch wheels, obviously fatter in back. Got a nice stance, big polished wheels. So there you go. Why don't we open it up, give you a tour of the inside of the truck. Okay, as I said earlier, they relocated the latch assembly to the inside of the tailgate. It looks like the hinges are new. And what's cool about the inside of this bed, it's all in excellent shape. I don't see rust or damage, but they sprayed it in Line-X and they color keyed it to the color of the truck. This is super durable. You can throw whatever you want in here. You can use the bed of this truck and not be afraid. And then here's the gas cap relocated, as I said earlier too. And if you take a glance at those wheels, those are pretty cool wheels on there, and they got BF Goodrich G-Force tires. A little staggered size, wider in back, but they're all 20-inch. And then coming inside the truck, look at the door panel. It's custom made. That's genuine leather upholstery. Matches the seat. You got a nice billet armrest base, power windows. The metal inside the truck's all painted yellow. You got new weather strips around the doors. You got a polished billet instrument panel with some nice white face gauges. You got the full set, including the tachometer, chrome tilt column. You got the shift indicator, the levers, the steering wheel, all that's in beautiful shape. And then coming across the dash, you got a stereo. You got some nice billet controls here for the heat and air. Glove box matches the instrument panel. Because of the air conditioning controls and that, you really don't have a glove box because of the hoses and ductwork and that sort of thing. The dash pad is excellent. Now look at the seat. I said it matches the door panels. A nice firm seat. It is actual soft leather, two-tone with yellow piping. Got seat belts, V8 emblems throughout the truck I've seen in a few different places. Nice, smooth, complete headliner. Sometimes it's just an insert, but this is a complete headliner. You got visors, new mirror. So really nice interior, nice custom sill plates, carpet's in good shape, and it is a retractable lap belt. How about we check out that motor compartment? There's an inside hood release. I'd also noticed there's some battery terminals under the front of the truck. The battery is located here, but if you want to charge it or jump it and you can't get in the truck because it's electronic doors, there's terminals underneath. So anyway, we got a beautiful show quality motor compartment. That is a ZZ4 350, makes 330 horsepower right from GM. They come with oil in them. The crate motor, that's the way to go. It's a reliable source of horsepower right there. And on top, it has the EnduraShine Edelbrock intake, big dual feed Holley carb with electric choke, premium fuel fittings there. Got a new MSD ignition. It's got headers, billet plug wire holders, stainless braided dipsticks for the motor and trans. Front of the motor has the complete march system. That's the real cool billet brackets. the serpentine belt and pulleys, the mini polished AC compressor, chrome alternator, chrome power steering. We've also got chrome power brake system with stainless braided lines. Aluminum radiator with electric fans front and back. Keep it running cool. And just look at how clean the metal is. This guy wanted a nice, smooth, clean look on the outside. Same thing in here. Nice, smooth firewall. Look at how neatly the AC and heat lines are run right into the firewall. Everything else is all smooth and painted yellow. You know, we didn't even mention the air cleaner. That is the coolest air cleaner I think I may have ever seen. That is awesome. I love that air cleaner. Very intricate. I bet that cost somebody some coin. So you got a show quality motor compartment here. And we keep mentioning show quality, but it's a truck you can drive. I mean, I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's really nice. It's an eye catcher, got a lot of custom features throughout. I also peeked up under the dash when I was looking for the hood release. All new wiring harness. It has an updated fuse block with the push-in fuses. The remote doors are working. They're on the remote here. There's buttons inside to release it. So yeah, just a really cool truck here. It would cost you so much more to build than what we're asking for it. The body work, like I said, just removing those gutters, that's them subtle differences, but they take time and cost money. You have a shop do that, you'll pay for it. So there you have it. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to reach out to the salespeople. If you have questions or concerns, make sure you talk to them. They'll help you the best they can. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you finance this truck. It's at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.